So today we're going to eat at the Carpenters Arms. It is literally right next to the Crooked House, which was empty last time we were here, and now it is a jewelry store. So that's interesting. So this is where we're going to eat. Hi. Do we order here and?
You do, yeah.
Okay.
You can sit anywhere.
Okay. Where do you want to sit?
You pick.
You pick. Okay.
There's a nice couple chair. Oh, that's pale.
You want to sit here?
Wherever. No matter. It's good for you?
Yeah. And it looks like you can go upstairs or downstairs. Kevin is getting the slow cooked steak, amber ale, and mushroom pie. It's encased in short crust pastry with a puff pastry lid, served with mashed potatoes, seasoned greens, and honey roasted carrots. I'm getting the Nicholson's Hunter's Chicken. It is grilled chicken breast topped with smoked back bacon, barbecue sauce, and mature cheddar, served with triple cooked chips and an heirloom tomato sauce. So I'm showing you everything. If you want to pause, you can. And this is the back. They have burgers. And here are the sandwiches. There's lots of seating back here. Oh, it says the toilets are downstairs. So if you want to go to the bathroom, they're downstairs. So this was our total, £21.70. So down there is the restrooms. And here is the lower dining room. Oh, this is neat looking. We'll just go down here and look. It's kind of cool down here. You would want that on a hot day. And then, so this is the lower dining area. And then they have a upper dining area that I think you can see from here. Yeah, you can see this one from here. And there's some benches. So there's plenty of seating. And there's a real pretty bar up front. I'll try to show you that maybe on the way out. So here's Kevin's pie. And are those the mashed potatoes?
Mashed potato, gravy, vegetables on it.
And then here is mine. The chicken and french fries and the salad.
So figure out how to get into it. Go for it.
I figured I would film Kevin working his way into this pie.
So we got almost. It's there. It's What would you like?
Is it steak?
Steak and how it's got big spice to it. It's good.
This is Kevin's plate, and he ate
Pretty
his
much
pie, and he absolutely loved his pie. And this is my plate. I did not like the chicken. I'll tell you later. Okay, here's the bar. Said I would show it to you on our way out. Do you know where we're going? So, what I was going to say real quick, the chicken was kind of rubbery. It was kind of tough, like it had been there for a little while. So, I would not order that if I went again, but I would go there again because I think they probably have some decent stuff. And Kevin absolutely loved his pie. So, that was fun. That was a new adventure. We had made sure that we looked online before we left the house so that we would know where we wanted to eat. And so I hope you enjoyed the video.